Hi everyone! Today we'll be making some mango yogurt ice blocks that are super quick and easy. We love mangoes. They're one of my kids' favourite fruits and they are in season now in Australia because it is summer. We often buy lots of Kensington Pride mangoes at the beginning of the mango season as we think they are the tastiest. You can use them in smoothies, on granola, on bagels and even in salads. These ice blocks are the perfect after-school snack in summer and are a lot healthier than many of the ones available at the shops. So let's get started. For this recipe you will need the flesh from 2 mangoes, approximately 500 grams in total, and roughly 180 grams of your favourite yogurt. I'm using vanilla here, but I've also used coconut yogurt for a dairy-free version. Place the mango flesh and yogurt in a blender and blend it till smooth. This should take about 1 minute. Scoop into your desired ice block moulds. I'm using some old Tupperware ones, but sometimes I use silicone ones as well. Place the lids on once filled and freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours. I like to leave mine overnight. When you're ready to eat, just run a little hot water over the mould and it will come out easier. Enjoy! See you next time on Life as a Creative Kid.